Yeah, yeah, should've died already. Faces. I should've died already. Shit, faces. Yeah, I should've died already. Came in, I was high already. Everybody tripping and my mind ain't steady. For my sin, should've been crucified already. Why the fuck you need me? Don't you know how to fly already? Try to tell you that it ain't real. Tell them find that Yeti. Oh, motherfucker.
I got a few clips and then I wasn't concerned on recording because some dude approached me and asked if he could take pictures of me skating. I'll insert those here.
And I'm smoking OG. Everybody love me, but I'm still lonely. I'm a die legend, baby, call me Kobe. I just poured an 8 of lean and you splitting up a 3. Big ass chop, knock him down like a tree. Swag so enormous, I got gravy on me. 50K for the verse, I ain't doing shit for free. I be looking like a star, so they staring at me. 40 on me like 20 times 2. I got drip, got jelly too. If you buy enough, then I'm throwing in 2. Likes just chest, baby, it's your move. He doing all that capping, that's that shit I can't do. Beam on his head, nah, he Hindu. He better have my money, have my damn fondue. She said she wanna glow, baby, I don't rescue. I be in the trap, always getting in the sun. My bitch bad ass fat like a pumpkin. Say he keep the fire, he a liar, he bluffing. I'm enchanting everything like it's nothing. Finesse him for the lean like an asshole. LSD, I'm building sand castles. I got guap and guns like Frank Castle. Mama hate the drugs, I need racks though. She say that she hate me, I get that on the daily. Smoking 24, bitch, I'm rolling Champ Bailey. Ask me how I'm doing, baby, everything gravy. Free Max B, baby, everything is wavy. Pull up on the block and I'm smoking OG. Everybody love me, but I'm still lonely. I'm a die legend, baby, call me Kobe. I just poured an 8 of lean and you splitting up a 3. Big ass chop, knock him down like a tree. Swag so enormous, I got gravy on me. 50K for the verse, I ain't doing shit for free. I be looking like a star, so they staring at me.
So some shit going down. These cops pull up to the park and asking us to stand 6 feet away from each other. Like we gotta skate. Everybody's vlogging. Staple gun! Rick, staple gun! Staple gun! We need staple gun! Oh, staple gun! Yeah! Yeah! On you go! Yeah! Hell yeah!
Get smoked like a hookah, nigga. Big drip, walk it out. Spin the block, it's been a while. Big shit, coming soon. Why you niggas boo-boo? I ain't with the bullshit. 1, 2, count cool. How I kick it, packing the medals, gon' packing the Ellis strong, trapped in the cellars, on fucking with these.